to come and condole with the family of a great man, a great general. For the short time that I came to know General Ogolla when we came into government, he was a very amiable man, a committed general, a patriotic man who loved his country, and a humorous man too. Your Excellency, many days when we were at the airport waiting to receive you, General Ogolla will keep us laughing throughout, giving us his various exploits in the service, out of the country and in the country. As we saw you off, he remained a commander, and all of us were under him. And we would sit there with the Professor Kindiki until he gives us, in the military parlance, the fallout. He would tell us to wait, and when he thinks you are safely off to your destination, he will say, Deputy President and the rest, you may now fall out. We were all under his command at the airport. And we were with him 2 days ago at the Bomas of Kenya. Again, full of humor and full of hope for this country. And we were discussing many things, and I think sometimes the futility of life is a bit worrisome, that just the day before we were discussing with him the future of this country, the safety of our people. Here again now, we are preparing to bury him. On my behalf and that of my family, to say, Mama, please take heart with your family. Difficult as things are, trust that God is in control. We shall continue praying for you and holding you in prayer as you come to terms with this very difficult reality. To our men and women in uniform, let us take heart that the general has died in action, on duty. And I think that is a pride of every soldier, that he died as he served this country. We want to encourage you to get stronger and to continue being committed and faithful to your country, protecting our borders,